Named positions illustrate numerous key positions of an assembly, particularly when there are varying degrees of freedom. Visualize the states of motion when defined with named positions, and adjust mate values to experiment with multiple positions. These named positions can be used in drawings, making it possible to add multiple dimensions for an assembly, depending on the positions of its components. To access named positions, select the Named Position tab from the right side of the graphics area. Within this tab, new named positions are added, and existing named positions are edited, duplicated, updated, and deleted. To add a new named position, select Add Named Position. A yellow bar appears at the top, indicating editing named position. Manipulate and position the components into their desired positions by dragging and rotating them in the graphics area. For more precise positioning, use assembly mates to set specific degrees of freedom. Show the mate icons with the shortcut key J, then select the mate icon. The mate's degrees of freedom will be shown in the Driving Mate Selector dialog. Choose the desired degree of freedom that will drive the named position. This adds the mate's parameter to the named positions table. Edit the value in the table to refine the position of components. Dragging components while editing a named position updates the mate values in the table to correspond to the new position. Add several driving mates to named positions. When finished, click Done. Specify a name for the position in the table by double-clicking the name cell for the named position. The named position will save the mate degree of freedom values and absolute transforms of the components. To edit the named position, right-click it from the table and choose Edit Named Position. Make the necessary changes to the assembly position and then accept the changes with Done. To apply an existing named position to the assembly position, right-click the named position in the table and choose Apply Named Position. This right-click menu also allows the named positions to be edited, duplicated, or deleted. Duplicating named positions creates a new named position identical to the selection. To update a named position, move the components manually or adjust their mate values. Then right-click the named position to update and click Update Named Position. The positions and mate values will update to reflect what is displayed in the graphics area. Named positions can be utilized in drawings. When inserting a drawing view of an assembly, choose the named position from the Explode/Position drop-down. The position can be changed after inserting the view from within the view properties. Named positions allow key positions of assemblies to be analyzed, dimensioned, and communicated, whether in a 3D assembly or a 2D drawing.